Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add your card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. So for that, start by opening the wallet application in your iPhone. Just like that, in the top right corner, go ahead and simply tap on the plus icon. Just like so, inside here, you'll see options like debit or credit card or sometimes transit or other cards. Simply tap on debit or credit card if you're adding a bank card. Inside here, tap on continue. Now you can either scan your card with your iPhone camera or choose to enter the card details manually. Go ahead and simply tap onto it and then fill out your card number, expiration date, and security code. Your bank may ask for extra verification through a text message, email, or the mobile app. Follow the on-screen instruction to confirm. And once verified, your card will appear inside Apple Wallet ready to use with Apple Pay in stores, apps, and online. And that's it. That is how you can add a card to your Apple Wallet. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.